Yeah, this way a lot pajunkissat blooming, but it's nothing see too much. It's like this. Yeah, I cannot go too close. See, there on the floor is a water. It's only bird can walk it. Only bird, not for a human to walk. It's gonna fall down. How I can make a camera zoom it. Yeah, it look nice, look lovely. It's not so extreme color. Didn't you hear that bird? Bird singing. Fisher bird. To put hand behind, and it's gonna zoom like this. Yeah, it's not yet too full blooming. My camera go too much on the head because I make an automatic program. I make an automatic program, then they follow too much the light and they try to come up on the sky. It's no good. It's good when I have to make video like a cooking. Yeah, it's gonna follow my face when I move away. But in this situation, sometimes I want to show people how about that area, but it's not. It's try to follow my face. Sometimes when camera cannot, the lens cannot find my face, they're gonna find sunshine. Yeah. Yeah, this is must to be more white here. This is more white. I hope this is a land. It's not the water. Yeah, here. Ooh. Just like this. Yeah. Look nice. White color. Look like a lovely flower. Yeah, now everything start to blooming. Another side, the leaves start to blooming.